At first glance, Morikoshi House feels silent. From the street, it looks closed, calm, private, almost mysterious. But this is not a cold house. It is a smart answer to a difficult site. Designed by S Design Farm, the home sits on a pentagon-shaped corner lot. Roads surround it on 3 sides. People pass by. Cars move close to the walls. A nearby stream brings fresh air, but it also brings flood risk. So the architects made one bold move. They protected the outside and opened the inside. The exterior is wrapped in dark metal. Almost no windows face the street. This gives the family privacy. It keeps the home quiet. But inside, everything changes. A tall open void rises through the center. This is the heart of the house. It brings daylight into the rooms. It pulls fresh air through the interior. It also guides movement. People, cars, wind, even flood water. Everything has a clear path. The living spaces sit above a raised concrete base. This helps protect the home during heavy rain. Below it, the garage becomes more than parking. It becomes a quiet link between the house and the street. Upstairs, the mood becomes warmer. Timber surfaces soften the space. Natural light falls from above. The home feels open, but it never feels exposed. That balance is the real beauty here. The living area is compact, yet it feels generous. The trapezoid-shaped plan creates depth. The vertical views make the room feel taller. Every angle has a purpose. The house also performs efficiently. It uses strong insulation, airtight construction, and heat exchange ventilation. Daily controls can use voice or smartphone, so the interior stays clean and simple. Morikoshi House proves one clear idea. A small home can feel spacious. A private home can still feel bright. And a difficult site can become the strongest part of the design. From outside, it looks sealed. But inside, it opens into light, air, warmth, and calm.